Oh, I forgot the stock market existed for a little while. Nicola. Andrew. What's up, Andrew? You said it's midnight there now, right? Hey, what's up, B-dubs? So 3 hours. Yeah, that's 3 a.m. when the power hour starts. Damn. So what's morning? So that would be, oh, so 11:30. Okay. So 12. I got a lot of, I have a large Australian contingency. I was thinking about maybe doing something around 9 a.m. Australia time. I should do 8 a.m. Australia time. What's better over there? Like for me to do like a little show. Think like 7:30. Like when is everyone's is it like 9 to 5 over there in terms of work times? What's up, Rob? Good morning. Just- 'Cause I have a pretty big another Australian individual wanting to get in the power hour, but it's just the wrong time. And I get it. It's like 3 in the morning. It's nuts. 7, so it's 2 in the morning. So 7 in the morning. So 7 would be obviously. Hold on, I'm trying to do like time zone math, which hurts my head. And they're doing roof stuff today. If you guys hear anything weird, let me know. Uh, Everyone tells me my mic sounds better. I found a new microphone setting. And I've got RTX voice, so hopefully you guys don't hear anything, but they're banging right above my head right now. If I do something at 7, I agree, Rob. It's tough. Okay, so if 7 o'clock for me is midnight for you, so that means I have to add 7 hours to 7. And since it's based on a 12, because we hate ourselves, what's 7 plus 7 in time? Like 2 o'clock? Huh? 2 o'clock, right? Yeah, 2 o'clock. So I'd have to do a live stream at 2 p.m. um, yeah, I'll give it a thought. I could probably only do that like actually commit to that a couple times a week, maybe 2 to 3 times a week. All right. Yeah, I completely forgot about the stock market. I'm here, but I forgot about it. Win casinos. Everyone's having a good day today. Man, I was reading some stuff from an Australian. I somehow stumbled across. Oh yeah, one of the gentlemen from Australia apparently works for some website over there, and it's a news website. And they had some stories on China and so many people trying to immigrate right now into Australia from China or Hong Kong to Australia, excuse me. Dang, silver. So BTC took a big dump on Friday. That was interesting. I was looking for a big move over the weekend. We had one last night, and it didn't turn out to be much. Came back down this morning. Peloton, Avatar, Tesla down. AMD down a full 1%. Market's pretty flat. Yeah, there's a lot of China stuff going on. That's going to be a issue going forward, China. And they are a tough cookie. Not quite sure how that's gonna play out. The Russians kind of bankrupted themselves. That's not going to happen with China. So NIO moving today, kind of one of the few ones that we got going on here. Wynn's having a big day. Did they have earnings? They had earnings the other day, and my screen just blinked out for some reason. It's back though. Okay. Let's see what's going on with the Wynn. Oh, that's right, you guys. There you go. That look better? That looks better for you guys. 10 by 10. Yeah, what's their stock symbol? I never. It's like TCEUHY or something, right? TCTZD TZEHF. I think that's it. Come on. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, I don't know what their symbol is. They're definitely business though with No, Andrew, this time they're actually doing the roof. All right, hold on. I'm doing my TV continues to go up and down with let me check the backlight setting here on my TV. You guys say roof weird. It's roof, not roof. Roof. Got some guys in the roof. Get my horrible Australian accent out. Got some guys in the roof. Gonna go eat some breakfast. I'm trying not to be racist here, Andrew, but now I'm just having fun with this. And just told you it was terrible. I'm an American. Every accent I do is horrible. And at least I can admit it. Anyone buying gold, Justin? Gold is gold, silver, they are gone, my friend. Good time to buy gold had long passed. Good time to buy gold's back when we initially bought it. Unfortunately, it's you have to wait for another consolidation. Really. Sorry, still playing with my still trying to if there's an automatic level on my television here. There you go, Justin. Yeah, it's coins are different. You just kind of hold those. Can't really trade them. Dynamic contrast is off, so I don't know why it's my monitor keeps going really bright and then really dim on me. I could watch it do it. It's been bugging me lately. I don't know. I can't find it. I'll look at it later. All right, I guess Tencent's not going to show up, is it? You still got that, B-dubs? Hey, what's up, Ellie? Gold with some profit taken on it. Nothing too crazy. GBTC is up a bunch. Bitcoin is pretty much firmly in a new uptrend. Peloton bouncing nicely off a supportive trend line. Got down yesterday and pretty much consolidated, moving up today. Oh, they're throwing stuff off my roof. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get off the stream a little bit early. Not anytime soon, but My kids start school today, so I just want to make sure that I get everything set up for them. Probably like I guess just maybe just 7:30, just kind of what should be normal time. Usually we go way over though, obviously. Taki Roku Okta. Well, kind of nice because they're going to school from home. So I think what I'm going to do is have them get all dressed, go outside. I'm going to take a video. I'm going to go outside. So if you remember, Ellie, and you walked in my front door, there's a wall to your right there, the brick wall. I'm going to have them sit in front of the brick wall. It's where I usually take their school pictures. But I'm going to do a video. I'm going to have them walk right back inside the house. Ready for your first day of school? Yeah, Dad. All right, go for it. And then just they walk inside. Going back to school 2020. Love it. And one of my sons is already up. 6:42. Good for him. I'm going to tell him to go on a bike ride. Hold on a minute, guys. All right, I'm back. Busy morning. Everyone's already up. So what happens when you get kids to bed at a normal bedtime? They get up at a normal time. They've been getting up late, man. All right, so Tesla hanging out, still not going down. Looked like it was going to go down on Friday, and then Tesla did not. But it's at least pointing in the right direction now, so that's good. It just needs to kind of get down a little bit. Yeah, I think that'd be good. Now the 50-day moving average is coming up right here. So far it's at 1243. There's a good possibility that is it's also coinciding with our trend line. So decent possibility we don't really see much more downward price pressure whatsoever. Even to 1200 isn't that drastic. That's only going to be, if we even drop right here, it's about a 10-11%, which really isn't super drastic. So holding super, super tight there. And Lavago, oh yeah, that was with the merger news, right? So that trade's dead. I don't know, likely take that off the actionable list. You getting dressed, James? Or you find a Ruby? Okay. All right. Kodak lower. Win now up 9%. NIO up 6. NAO curling up very nicely. Space.com up. Is that 50? That's 50 moving average support. It's the 50 MA. Not undercutting any levels, but could be a 50-day bounce for space. Although, yeah, this could be a 50-day bounce. Volume isn't tremendous. Justin bought some LMND. Oh, is that lemonade? What is lemonade anyways? I keep hearing lemonade. I'm too old man to know all these new damn companies. What do they do? Financial? They're a financial? Rob, Friday distribution day? I don't know. It kind of looks like it was. Damn it, Ellie. Come on, man. Give me a benefit of the doubt. Oh, I still haven't sent in my subscription to IBD, so I can't find out if it was a distribution day. But we can look at the charts ourselves. Apple climbs. And China is gonna be interesting going forward. Yeah, I'm gonna get digital as long as I mail you in a check. I have to mail them in a check. Fairly annoying. All right, at least we got a big picture view. Looks like it was a distribution day on the Nasdaq. So percent was down 0.87 and volume doesn't say it was higher than the prior day, but we can see right here it was higher than the prior day. So there's a distribution day for the Nasdaq. And then in terms of the S&P 500, my assumption would be also a distribution day. What? No, it's up. Oh wow. Okay. That's interesting. Not a bad thing. I'm not mad at that. Okay. Yeah, that's okay with me. That's okay with me. So distribution for Nasdaq, none for the S&P, so kind of didn't matter. It's still not heavy distribution on the Nasdaq. I think we're maybe 3. So probably this day, one of these days, maybe even both of those days. So maybe 3 or 4 on the Nasdaq, which isn't too bad. Space Twitter. Is Twitter going to start to? Yeah, Twitter may start to try to rally. This one has been a very difficult stock. Um, Overall, Twitter's been. You would think with social media being the end all in terms of medias these days, you'd think it'd be up more, but they just can't get their ish together or something. Trying to get to a place where they can maybe start to rally. I wonder if there'd be some pent up demand for Twitter. It hasn't done anything in years. Facebook was up. Yeah, they were up due to the banning of TikTok, apparently, which makes some sense. Soxel? Soxel appears to be on a straight line trajectory, so any dip likely could be bought. We do have declining volume on the way up, a little bit concerning from that perspective, but it looks like it's just getting back towards normal volume. It was pretty elevated for a while there. I'd say buy on dips, Rob, because it's working its way up. Unless you get a lot more China FUD. How'd Soxel do in 2018? We weren't really looking at Soxel then. Did pretty bad. Down about 57. That was more than the market. This is also a 3 times ETF, so that's probably not too bad considering that's part of this was China tariff FUD. Only going down 58% for a 3 times ETF is not that bad. These roofing guys sound like they're right inside my office. TikTok trying to sue? Yeah, I bet. It's a catch-22, man. We really have to have a definitive China policy, and we just don't right now. Everyone is just, it seems like our government is just running around with their arms flailing. We're too busy bitching about dinner than looking at the hurricane coming in our direction. It's kind of a shame. Especially when all these people like to say America's the greatest nation on earth. And, we're not. We used to be the greatest nation on earth, but then a couple of things happened. We got really fat and really lazy, and all of us have diabetes. And number two, unintentionally or intentionally, we made the world a better place. And some places do a lot of different things better than we do now. So, hi Ethan. All right, you ready to go? All right, guys, hold on a minute. I'll be back. I got to get my kids set up to go bike riding. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. Kid wants me to go bike riding with him, so maybe I'll hang out for another 10, 15 minutes, and then maybe we'll go bike riding. Doesn't look like the market's doing a whole heck of a lot. Wind's moving, but Win NIO, but they're not. They're kind of gapping up and stagnating. Tesla's falling, which is good, and then Nasdaq down about 1/4%. WDLF. Oh, let it be Dubs. If you're still here, if not, I said goodbye to no one. Nikola to make 2,500 electric garbage trucks for Republic Services. That will never happen. Let's look at that WDLF. Whoops. Huh? Oh, excuse me. Should you buy a dollar's worth? Um, no. If you want to waste $1, just send it to me through PayPal. Actually, send me like $1.30 because there's like a fee taken out, but you know what I mean. EV Maker X paying backed by Baba. Loading. What does that mean? And Xiaomi Corp has filed to list its shares in New York, seeking to ride enthusiasm. Yeah, everyone's riding that EV enthusiasm, which is why they're selling it off. Buy the rumor, sell the news, ladies and gentlemen. EVs are now news. Andrew, nothing. Don't concern. Half the stuff Robert posts, just don't concern yourself with it. He tends to increasing volume. Okay. Oh, I see what you're saying. Well, it may be due to reverse stock splits. If you see something like that, especially with the fact that it's so cheap. 1,200 buy orders and 0 sells. That's because this is like your one Satoshi shitcoin. That's exactly what this is. This is about to get delisted. I think that's the cheapest you can get. So actually, you know what? Yeah, buy $1 worth. Because why not? If you want to gamble, I see what you're saying, Rob. Yeah, I think four decimal points deep is about as deep as the chart gets. So yeah, if you want to throw away some money, throw it away. Because nobody wants it. That's why. Because nobody wants it. Snip Interactive announces proposed debt settlement. Social Life Network. Yeah, like I said, it's likely reverse stock splits. So what ends up happening is the stock gets cheaper in order for them to stay on the exchange. They have to meet certain requirements, and to do that, they split their stock, reverse split their stock, all that garbage. MJ Match, IVR, Restoration Hardware. AMD now definitely looks like it's in a pullback mode. V's looking similar to AMD accumulation before a pop. Um, a little bit. Not it won't pop near as high as AMD, I don't think, because yeah, it just won't. Hold on a second. NASDAQ 0.44. Tesla going down. Let's take a look at Visa. Yeah, I mean, I do like the sideways base in Visa. It's really nice. You won't get, the same pop you're going to get in AMD. There's always a recency bias, especially in investing. So, are they? Ah, shoot, guys. Guys, I gotta go. Nothing bad, but I gotta run. Yep. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Sorry about cutting it short like this, but I gotta run. All right, later.